Hey from Let's Go Now Adventures. We just spent a few days at Quail Creek State Park. Now it's in southern Utah between St. George and Hurricane. And oh my gosh, the sunrise and sunsets were absolutely spectacular with the beautiful view of the lake and southern Utah's famous Red Rock country. Now the red rock, in contrast to the blue water, is so beautiful. Now the campground, it sits down in kind of like a bowl with the big red rock mountains surrounding it. Think of like being in an amphitheater with the big red rock walls and the main attraction being the lake. After all the sites have a beautiful view of the lake. Now there are 23 campsites, however they are primitive. There are no hookups. They all do have this wonderful curved pavilion which covers your picnic table, which is a blessing on those hot days because you are right in the middle of the desert. Now the park is en route to Zion's National Park, which is only 40 minutes away. In fact, you could spend the day at Zion's and come back, cool off in the lake, and enjoy a nice campfire. After spending a day on the lake kayaking, we enjoyed a nice Dutch oven dinner. It was delicious. So now, much less crowded than its neighbor, Sand Hollow, this makes for a pleasant adventure just waiting to happen. You know, it's funny, we would find ourselves just looking around, taking in the amazing beauty that this place has to offer. Now, Quail Creek has some of the warmest waters in the state, and with its mild winter climates, this makes it popular all year round. So it's a great place to make some good memories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.